Okay, applicant number 3, 10943. Go.
Good afternoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, please take your seat.
Good afternoon, sir. Please introduce yourself loud and clear.
Good afternoon. My name is Joseph Gabriel Villanueva. And
Ano yun? Michi, ulitin natin.
Magbubuhat siya ulit, ma'am.
Hindi na from dun sa pag upo niya dito, introduction lang.
Ay, pakat na lang
Kahit
na.
pang i-edit dyan, kahit
good afternoon. My name is Joseph Gabriel Villanueva. I'm 27 years old and I have a live-in partner. We have 2 kids and my work experience is a factory worker and my position is um, refilling operator and I am a machinist for 8 years.
Okay, sir. Okay，这位是27岁，然后他有懂区人，然后他们有2个小孩，然后他的那个当地工作经验是从2017 7月份到2018 1月份，总共6个月，担当那个还有招手人员，然后再来2018 3月份到2025 3月份，总共7年，担当那个机台操作人员。Okay, so sir, yung ino-operate mong machine is CNC, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So next time when you write on your value data, you are a CNC machine operator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how about the refilling operator? What does it do?
I refill cooking oil, ma'am. And and I put the refill pouch to the box, ma'am.
Oh, meaning why do you need to refill the cooking oil?
I refill the cooking oil to the pouch, ma'am. And then the finished product, I will put it in the box.
So your job is packaging.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are a packaging operator.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not a refilling operator because when you operator, you are working with refill and then
Yes, ma'am.
that's a different thing. Okay, so next time when you write on your value data, you are a packaging operator. Okay. parang刚问他，因为我看他的那个履历怪怪的，然后问他的那个工作是什么？他第一份工作，他是那个保床人员，然后他在保那个煮饭的那个油啊，他会放在那个纸袋里面，就是他的那个第一份工作。然后他第二份工作就是他在操作那个CNC 机台的。So sir, what kind of CNC machine do you operate?
Boring, ma'am.
Boring. Okay. So next time you feel correctly, huh? Okay. How sir? So sir, how about your living partner?
She has
Where is she right now?
in our house, ma'am.
Working.
Working, ma'am.
Not working or working?
Working, ma'am.
Working. So what is her work?
Office staff, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have 2 kids, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you will come here to Taiwan, who will take care of the 2 kids?
If I have a chance to work in Taiwan, ma'am, my live-in partner will take care of our children, ma'am.
So she will not work anymore.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
focus on the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will also ask you, you have tattoos, right? So can we see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please put it? Is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay with you to let the employer see your tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible? No.
No, ma'am. It's in the chest and ribs, ma'am.
Okay, so we just see a little bit.
Yes.
Tingnan namin, sir. Konti lang. Titingnan. How about the tattoo? Only like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in front only.
At the back, ma'am. Left.
Very, very, very big, no?
Slide, ma'am.
Slightly big. Okay. Okay. So, sir, do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How about smoking?
Yes.
How many sticks a day?
Today, ma'am, only one, ma'am, in the morning.
How about at night? Do you smoke?
Occasionally, ma'am.
How many sticks per day, average?
Average, ma'am, 3 to 4 sticks.
3 to 4 a day. How much? 3 to 4 to 6, how much?
I think, well, 42, ma'am.
Really?
42 pesos a day, ma'am.
I don't mind how much.
Yes, ma'am.
I said how many sticks?
4 sticks, ma'am, a day.
4 sticks a day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have surgery before?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes.
Okay. Oh,好，然后问他家人没有开过刀，然后他说在共住，然后帮公司，他是帮公司的人，然后问他假设他有入戏的话，小朋友水槽库，然后他说如果他要入戏的话，他的那个董事人就不用工作了，然后就帮忙找他的那个小孩。好，so No, So, sir, may I ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you have only written here until 2025 March. How
Yes,
about
ma'am.
2025 April to up to now? What are you doing?
I'm the one who take care of my children, ma'am. Because
So
my
you
ma
take care of your children.
Yes, ma'am. Because my wife has a work already, ma'am.
好，刚刚问他，因为他的那个立作上面，他写到2023月份而已，然后2025到现在他在干嘛？然后他说他在照顾那个小孩子，因为妈妈在工作。Okay, sir. So you don't have any questions? You wanna ask? Okay, so that will be all, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.